What do I remember?
Using a condom every time?
Yeah, I remember. I don't ignore it. Using a condom every time during sex is really important.
Wow, Ria is smart. Life will be safe for sure when condom is used always.
Don't think you know. Remember once more.
Hadian ke jinglap ya kamet yap jong ukna news namrta obakir teng ukershan borkar mudai. Hene kesini kendai tarik narut surok khlaw Mawpat. Superintendent of Police ke East Khasi Hills ubak Vivek Sim. Ula pynthikna ba uni ukna ula Shah pyniap. Bat kat kum na kidak kishin. Ula ong bala subajur bala pyniap ya uni ukna syakawai pat ke jaka. Bala syuan berat hagan ke jaka khlaw. Ula ong ru baya mentahi umpat lak benong AA hak baya day bat kena jingyap jong uniuk kena. Henry ula ong bakin ra shwa ya kamet syapo negrims banle ya ka postmortem. Uni uhe pulit ula ong ru ba wat lakim dan kino kena gidak mong hak kamet yap jong uni uhebrin. Henry on sa pynthikna tat hadin belale ya ka postmortem. Ula ong ru baka jing toket halor kena jingja kalaya syakman bat ki pulit kilapan kre ban register case. Ubak Vivek ula ong bakila ru bantau ya kakinhun Special Investigation Team SIT da ka bishar benia halur ka jinglong jingman jong ka ni ka kampen triam. Ingin sa syong bishar benia la ka ni ka jingja ru ka don kam ni ya ka jing tokit da kakinhun SIT namar uni ulanot basyak penyam udai ukna red ong USP. La ban kdaw ba ka ni ka day ka sin ka baar ha ka balap dia ni ki kna red ki badai nakash nong nongra. Ha ubnai baladeb wei khynnah kalais namrta ula Shah yalam hakmat ka Juvenile Justice Board JJB halor ka jingken no don kti ha ka jingya basang son jong ka wei ka hebred ka badang saus namrta ka bla jia ha ka snong nongra nong lumbrei kane ka hebred ka bakerteng insapira lingdo maunai kala jar ngai na la yeng ha ka step jong ka khat saw trik nai lur hadin balalap ya ka met yap jong ka na jan ka wei ka yeng ka badang snat mai ha ka khat san trik nai lur kata kebam da jengai nakayeng sa jong kahi. Haba keli USP ula ong bakadang kloy palat ban ong bakani ka jingja badang shen kala bandon ka no kono ka jinga day bat ka ka jingja baladam bat na kalyang kipulit kindang pelong ya ka jing tokit. Ya mentahi ngam yu I bakandon ka no kono ka jinga day na Maria uba syak keno don kti ha ka jingja ka baningkong ladap ito. Henry watla katangin pelong ya ka jing tokit ban lap ya ka jing shisha baro ula kular. Kani ka jingja kalawan ra ka jing sungkyak bajur hapring kinong syong snong. Bat na kalyang USP ula banjur halor ka jingdan kam banshim ikila jingada kum ka jing pendait iki CCTV ka jing penbiang iki street light ha ki jaka pat ba ka jingdan kam ban pikir ba ya ki khun rin. Nalor kata ula kinturu iki nong syong snong bakin a jing tip halor ki no kino ki jing isuba sya ki pulit dak ba phone ha u emergency number iway ar.
Yes, it is a boy of a 7-year-old boy who went missing from Mawpat, Nongra, and all teams are here. CSU, FSL from Nongtsong, Maudian Liang, SP's office, special cell, all here in the PO. It is a confirmed case of homicide. We will be registering a case and investigating. All indications of it being a homicide. Postmortem will give a clearer picture of the kind of injury. From then on, we will be able to proceed with that. Right now, I cannot see a connection. It could be an isolated case because the accused of the first case has already been ascertained and identified. But nonetheless, we will actually investigate and find out everything into the matter. We will sit down and this also will warrant the requirement of an SIT because it is a child who has been murdered, and an SIT where many expertise are there, many officers are involved, has always borne fruit. So there's all likelihood of an SIT being formed. See, it is a matter of concern. It pains all of us, and from such incidents we should draw lessons that we should number one, children have to be looked after upon, monitored. Number two is that we should take precautionary measures of having CCTVs lighting the area, children loitering around. Somebody should be it from local stakeholders or anybody, should actually see that a child who actually is moving around, inform 112, which is our emergency number, so that we can take necessary action, take them to childline and all that, identify the parents or guardians. We can't say, but by the look of it, I think the body was placed out here only.
Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shriya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.